Well, hi, I'm Dr. Tino, and this is Sierra, the lab coordinator here. Today we're going to do experiment number 5. I'm just going to show you the setup and how basically that it runs. So we're going to add, in this case, we're going to add sodium carbonate to hydrochloric acid. We're going to run the reaction in a test tube. We're going to do the same reaction now for sodium carbonate. So they both look similar, both white powders. They're both going to produce carbon dioxide gas. So we add the sodium carbonate, or bicarbonate, it's all the same thing. And then we're going to add about 7 milliliters of hydrochloric acid. Whenever you're dealing with acids, always wear gloves. So we're going to kind of approximate it. The hydrochloric acid is the excess reagent. So that's the one that we add more than we need to react with the sodium carbonate or the bicarbonate. So the sodium carbonate and the bicarbonate are the limiting reagents. That's the ones that get used up for the reaction. The hydrochloric acid is the excess. So more than enough is going to be used there to react with all the sodium carbonate or the bicarbonate. So we kind of add it. Starts to fizz up, and then we're going to heat it up because we want to make sure all that water gets evaporated off. But we'll let the reaction go for a little bit. Whenever we light a Bunsen burner, we have a gas valve in the bottom. We have the air valve in the middle. I'm going to play with this in the meantime. You should hear the gas coming on. We have our lighter. There we go. And you want to adjust it to it's a nice blue flame. If you adjust the middle, it turns orange, which means that's not enough oxygen reacting with the gas. So I'm going to lower it a little bit. And then I'm going to lower the flame on the bottom right here. So basically what you're going to do is we're going to heat this up until all that water evaporates off and we're left with sodium chloride. Then afterwards, one more thing and then I'll let you go here. Afterwards, we're going to weigh this and recover the mass of the sodium chloride. And then we'll go through the calculations in terms of percent yield, theoretical yield, etc. And we'll make a video for that separate.